Would you be happy to host a mini AI data center on your home? With people kicking back against AI data centers around the world, NVIDIA has come up with a novel plan by backing up a very specific company that have come up with a novel idea to attach AI data centers to your home. And the whole idea is the fact that many homes do not use the electricity supply capacity that they could actually handle, and that spare capacity in their minds can then be used to power this mini AI data center. And what happens is you pay them $150 per month. They will then cover all of your electricity fees as well as your internet fees. So I don't know if $150 a month in the US is going to be a lot of money, how much people would normally pay for their electricity utilities as well as for their internet fee, and whether this will actually be a bargain. But this is certainly a way around people complaining about AI data centers, stopping AI data centers from being developed, as well as a long lead time for substations to be upgraded in the areas where AI data centers are being built, etc. And this is circumnavigating this fight back. So the question is, will you host an AI mini data center at your home if it should come to South Africa or wherever you might be living in the world? And there's an article in Memeburn where it says NVIDIA-backed startup wants to pay you to host a mini data center at your home. And they've got a picture there showing what that would typically look like. Doesn't take up a lot of space. The startup is called Span, and they are backed by NVIDIA, and they are testing units called XFRA nodes, mini data centers, about the size of an air conditioner that mount on the outside of homes. So most people won't even notice it. Each node packs 16 NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell GPUs, 4 AMD CPUs, and 3 terabytes of memory. Homeowners pay Span a flat fee of around $150 a month. In return, Span covers their full electricity and internet bills. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's a bargain. You can tell me in the comments if you think so. Span can deploy 8,000 units 6 times faster and at 1/5 the cost of a traditional 100 megawatt data center. And they are looking for ways to overcome the data center crisis, according to the people that want to develop all these data centers. There's a lot of kickback against data centers. As I said yesterday in my live stream, we have 20 data centers in South Africa with 60 more planned. We don't need more AI data centers for us to use AI as a tool. Anything more or anything else might be used for other nefarious reasons that I spoke about yesterday. The growing backlash from residents near existing data centers, including multiple class action lawsuits over noise, raises real questions about whether neighborhoods will accept this. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about this? I will give you a link to this article in the description below the video, as well as in the first comment. And they say the average American home only uses about 40% of its electrical capacity at any given time. Most homes with a standard 200 amp utility connection have around 80 amps sitting idle. Now, it's not actually that simple, because running your home connections to the max tests your terminations and many other things. So I think there's a lot that they might not be considering here, but the technology is being developed. And obviously people in the background have been coming up with all sorts of plans to make sure that AI data centers go ahead, whether they build them in the ocean, up in space, or attach them to your house. It looks like they will find a way. Tell me in the comments how you feel about this. Please go and read this article and look at the basics behind this. Very novel idea for them to circumnavigate what they have been doing up until now, and with all the backlash that they are facing. And tell me how you feel about the backlash. Many people saying that if we want the world to move ahead and progress, we need a lot more AI data centers. I wonder who that progress is for, or whether they actually, these people that make these comments, consider humanity. We don't need AI at all for survival. At all. So why do they push this on us? Why do they believe that it's an absolute necessity for the survival of humanity? It's a joke, an absolute joke. These are big companies trying to make mega money. Let's just call it what it is. And the people in South Africa that are pushing for things like this, the Frans Cronjes and all these cronies around him, they can go and stuff themselves, because we don't need your AI. And neither do you. We need a few things to survive. We've been doing it for thousands of years. AI is not there for survival, it's there for control, and it's 100% there for people to become filthy rich, because that's exactly what's happening. And there will be less use for humanity with what we are developing now. Who is that benefiting? Is it benefiting us, the normal man in the street? Absolutely not. I have nothing against artificial intelligence. I think it's an excellent tool. We don't need more. We have what we need. Thanks so much for watching. Tell me in the comments what you think, whether you disagree with me, whether you agree with me. Please do subscribe to the channel as I show you how our freedoms are being eroded one step at a time. And this is my big drive, to remain as free as possible, to have a future where my kids can make choices. This is what's important to me. Tell me how you feel about that. Do you think that the proliferation of AI to the point where you can't be using the new AI data centers being used, you as an individual cannot be using all that compute power? It's all for big business to make big money, and for governments to be able to monitor, track and trace us in real time. This is all I see. This is what the evidence is showing me. This is what the politicians are talking about. I hope you support this by supporting this channel, subscribing to the channel, consider becoming a member, and remember to like this video and share it with your friends and family.